Welcome to an overview of the 5 pillars of reading. This video will explore the essential components that contribute to strong literacy skills. This quote from Dr. David Kilpatrick reminds us that guessing words or relying on pictures doesn't build the foundational skills needed for proficient reading. Instead, students need explicit, systematic instruction that teaches them how to recognize and decode words automatically. Dr. Kilpatrick is a school psychologist, researcher, and author known for his work on phonemic awareness and word recognition. His research emphasizes that reading success depends on developing strong phonological and orthographic skills that allow students to store words in long-term memory for instant retrieval. In other words, strong readers don't guess. They recognize words effortlessly because their instruction built the pathways needed for fluent, automatic reading. The National Reading Panel, NRP, was formed in 1997 to study how children learn to read. This group of experts reviewed decades of research and identified 5 essential components of effective reading instruction: phonemic awareness, phonics, fluency, vocabulary, and comprehension, often referred to as the Big Five, or the pillars of reading. Their research revealed that systematic phonemic awareness instruction strengthens reading, spelling, and comprehension skills, and that just 15 minutes a day can make a measurable difference when instruction is explicit and consistent. Today, NYC public schools are aligning with this research, using evidence-based curricula, regular progress monitoring, and targeted supports to meet every learner's needs. This shift ensures that instruction is both data-driven and equitable for all students. These 5 pillars of reading work together to create strong, confident readers. When one pillar is weak, whether it's phonemic awareness, phonics, fluency, vocabulary, or comprehension, reading becomes more difficult and less automatic. That's why effective instruction intentionally includes all 5 pillars, ensuring students develop every skill needed to read with accuracy, fluency, and understanding. Phonemic awareness is the ability to hear and manipulate the individual sounds in spoken words. It's the foundation for all future reading and spelling. When students can break apart, blend, and play with sounds, they're better equipped to connect those sounds to letters later on. The National Reading Panel found that explicit instruction in phonemic awareness directly improves reading, spelling, and overall literacy development. Phonics instruction teaches students how letters and sounds connect to form words. It bridges oral language and print, helping students decode unfamiliar words and build automatic recognition of familiar ones. According to the National Reading Panel, systematic phonics instruction leads to faster, more accurate reading and supports long-term fluency. Fluency is about reading with accuracy, speed, and expression. When students read fluently, they don't have to focus on decoding each word. They can focus on meaning. The research shows that fluency practice, through repeated reading and modeling, helps students better understand and enjoy what they read. Vocabulary is the 4th pillar. Knowing the meaning of words helps to better understand what is read and heard. Vocabulary instruction is key to improving comprehension. Comprehension is the ultimate goal of reading, making sense of and engaging with what is read. It requires integrating all the other pillars: phonemic awareness, phonics, fluency, and vocabulary. Direct teaching of comprehension strategies, like summarizing or asking questions, helps students deepen understanding and retain what they read.